Business activity is getting slower ahead of Christmas holidays, so oil trade will be steady these days. The oil quotes opened today's session moving slightly downwards on the news from Saudi Arabia. The ruble is holding strong against the US dollar despite the lack of support. The pair is likely to reach the level of 63 during the session. The long-lasting conflict between Saudi Arabia and Kuwait could be settled by the end of this year. The two countries are planning to renew oil output in the shared neutral zone along their border, which was suspended since 2014. The resumption of oil production is likely to add around 500,000 barrels per day to the oil market. The risk of excessive oil supply amid low demand encouraged some traders to open short positions. Brent crude extended losses early in the session and lost 0.36%. Today, the benchmark is trading at $65.91 per barrel. WTI is down by 0.48%, with one barrel trading at $60.15. Last time, both brands finished the trade in the negative territory due to the data showing the maximum growth of drilling activity in the US in almost 2 years. Despite this decline, both benchmark brands are staying firmly high. Last week, Brent gained 1.4%. Oil quotes will probably find resistance at the level of $67 per barrel. It seems that the Russian currency is going to drift lower against the US dollar after a rapid growth. Meanwhile, the ruble as well as the oil still retains their positions. The dollar-ruble pair opened the session with gains and was trading near the level of 62.24. The ruble has lost 4 kopecks compared to Friday's closing level. It might be risky for traders to buy the ruble now, as the topic of sanctions against Russia has again become relevant. Relations between Russia and the US may deteriorate at any time. Besides, the demand for foreign currency is traditionally increasing before the new year. This week, the ruble will not receive support from the auction on the federal loan bonds, since the Russian Ministry of Finance has reached the annual borrowing target. Currently, the ruble can get support from high oil prices and the tax period in Russia with its peak on December 25th. The Russian currency can be trading mixed against the US dollar in today's session. The pair is expected to hold in the range of 62-63. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice trading day. Bye.